Okay, now it's on. Okay. I don't know. I just went and started the broadcast put on live. Miguel, can we still not hear you? Yeah, I still can't hear him. Tanner, you there?
Yep, I'm here.
All right, cool. Alrighty. Well, okay, let's just go to the rubric real quick. Did you guys get the results of did we get the results of the paper? I know we got the presentation and everything.
I haven't checked it.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we did get the results. I think it was like one.
I know we got a 91 on the paper. I mean, on the presentation itself.
Get that.
So I'm okay with that. I guess. And then I'm not sure about the paper, but we wanted to go ahead and get the parts assigned for this upcoming rubric. I know that Miguel, you were looking at it. You said it had a lot of, I guess, a lot of detail to it. Okay, just let me type in that in real quick. Yeah, the paper is not in yet as far as the grade.
I was looking at the rubric, and it seems like there's a lot of sections.
Yeah.
There's a lot of detail that relies on the previous section, on the previous section, on the previous section.
Okay. So that's probably why Miguel wanted us to all meet together like this. Because if that's the case, you might have to have somebody be done like early in the week, and then the next person, do it midweek or something like that, perhaps. If that's what it is, right, Brandon?
Right.
All right.
I'm trying to pull it up right here real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, the main body section. I mean, yeah, I think it's like 3.1 or whatnot, but you just have bullet point, bullet point, bullet point, and each one relies on the previous one to get it done.
Okay. Now, 3.1, describe and discuss what you will be importing to your host country. And then number 2 is identify at least 3 candidate sourcing companies. Okay, we have to make a decision as to which one we want to actually go with of the 3. I know we had, what was it? We had the internet, we had cell phones.
And
Computers. Did you guys have a preference on any of those? I personally like the internet myself, but then again, you do have to have a computer for that. Miguel, did you have a preference on any of those 3?
I'd be okay with any of them.
Really? Okay.
I mean, internet sounds good. The research I did on it. Oh, kid just woke up. Sorry if you can hear the screaming.
All right.
The research I did on internet, there were some providers, but it's more just digging cables to get it to more rural areas.
Oh, okay.
Cell phones, they're all outdated. Computers, they're all outdated. Just kind of depends what you guys want to do. Each of them would be pretty easy for, like, I'm looking at the rubric right now, and for 3.4 and 3.3 for trade barriers and tariffs, any other companies inside the countries and everything, I mean, it's all relatively pretty much the same.
Okay. Yeah, Miguel's saying that that he likes the internet, I think is what he says, but it's a matter of finding what the government will allow for out-of-country companies. Well, if I remember correctly, we didn't really have a whole lot of boundaries to any kind of FDI investment, right? So, I mean, any of those 3 would work out just fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty.
I mean, I'm just gonna throw this out there. 3.1 and 3.2. That's the beginning part of 3.0, like the main body of it and whatnot.
Yeah.
I could get those done by tomorrow.
Yeah.
And so then the 3.3, 3.4, and 3.5, the other people can do that throughout, I don't know, by tomorrow night or Thursday, Friday, or whatnot.
Yeah, that would be awesome. And if you can get that done by tomorrow, that would be really helpful. So,
Yeah.
so yeah, why don't you go ahead and do that part right there, and then do any of you three volunteer for 3.3? Or have a preference?
You guys can just sign me whatever you want me to do.
Okay.
But I do see 3.4 and 3.5 are going to rely on 3.3.
Oh, 3.4 and 3.5 are going to rely on 3.3.
Yep.
Okay. Can you get yours done earlier in the week at all, Emily, or do you have more time towards the end?
I could do it earlier in the week.
Okay. All right. Could you do 3.3 then? And let's see here. 3.4 and 3.5. That's 6 points. Are 3.4 and 3.5 together? Are they kind of like? Do they have to be done together, more or less, or can they be separated? Let's see. I'm trying to read it because the reason why I'm looking at this as being 6 points, it might be a lot for one person to do. So I'm wondering, can we maybe combine 3.3 and 3.4 and have one person do all of 3.5 since it's 4 points?
Yeah, I think that'd be doable. Maybe whoever's doing 3.4 and 3.5 can maybe get together on a separate level.
Okay.
And kind of compare and contrast whatever information overlaps on the two.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay. How about Emily? Then, if you do 3.3, and then Miguel and Tanner, can you guys do 3.4, 3.5? Would that be all right, or do you guys prefer something else?
No, that's fine for me. I can do 3.5 if that's all right with everyone else.
Sure. All right. Miguel, can you do 3.4? All right. Let's see. Garrett, can you be the editor?
Yeah, I can do that.
All right. And I guess I'll take it easy this week if you don't mind. And then next week I'll do something harder so that it's fair. So
Cool.
I'll do the cover sheet, everything, and then next week I'll get to the more meat of it next time. So anyway, so yeah, that's all I got. Do you guys have anything else?
Nope. I'll do 3.1 and 3.2 and send it to Emily by tomorrow night so that she can do 3.3.
Oh, we have. Oh, who's going to do 2.0? You know what? I'll go ahead and do 2.0.
Okay.
Happy.
Yeah. So I'll do that, and that shouldn't be too hard. Then yeah, you'll be done, Brandon, early for Emily. And,
Yep.
All right, and then all right, and we'll just coordinate via text then. Cool. Anything else?
No, I'm good.
All right, we all good? All right.
Good.
Okay. Miguel, did you have anything else? I know we can't hear you. You all good? You're okay. He's giving a thumbs up. All right. All right. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you guys later throughout the week.
All right. Good stuff.
Cool. See ya.
Have a good one.
Yep.